Hi class, I hope you're doing well on this Sunday. It's beautiful outside. Hope you get to, one of the joys of online teaching and learning is that you can make your own schedule around at least when you do this class. So hopefully you are not missing out on this gorgeous weather. I just want to talk to you about this week. So you're still finishing up this research methods in human sexuality week. And hopefully you had a chance to do your sex history responses. Remember, the questions are for you to answer to yourself, and then you respond on kind of how that process was for you. I don't want your answers, right? Don't submit your answers. Submit kind of some reflection on it. It's 25 points. Don't miss it. That would be silly. And then also make sure to post in the sex research discussion post. So in the next week, we're moving into anatomy, and it's divided up female-bodied, male-bodied, full well knowing that there's more to humanity than just female-bodied and male-bodied, but the way traditional classes on human sexuality have done understanding of reproductive systems is looked at typically female-bodied people and typically male-bodied people because of the reproduction piece to it. So this will be kind of an anatomical and less sociological or psychological. However, I have for you in the female week, I have the film Vagina Monologues. You'll be watching it and responding to it as well as the reading, and it is purely commentary, documentary sort of story. It's Eve Ensler. She's very famous for body positivity and just kind of a lot of really cool feminist stuff. And so the Vagina Monologues are her baby, but it's a play that takes place on college campuses all around the world, and if you ever have a chance to catch a live viewing of it, I highly recommend it. I know in this area they do it at Sonoma State. I know they do it in San Francisco. So if you watch it and you're like, "Ooh, that's interesting," then just Google it. I think it's usually around Valentine's Day when they screen it. So yeah. So you'll have that as well as the reading as part of kind of what you're posting about. All right. So enjoy your day. Keep thinking about these things, both kind of on a broad scale, but then also kind of think of them in relation to your own experiences, your own bodies, those sorts of things. All right. Have a good day. Take care.